YouTube. Hello, I'm about to go to work. So I don't have that much time because it is 4:30 and I have to be there at 5. And I'm piercing my tragus because I'm impulsive. I have my hair pinned back and I've cleaned it, and I'm using this pin for sewing because I am just begging for an infection, you know? And I also have this little like pearl thing. It's not for your tragus, it's for just a regular earring, but I'm irresponsible, so we're just gonna go with that. So I have some ice because I'm gonna numb it. I've pierced like my doubles and my triples before, but I've pierced my tragus before, but my mom made me take it out, but that was like 3 years ago. I was like 12. So we're gonna retry this and just, I guess we're gonna see how it goes. So this ice is pretty cold. I mean, that's what ice is supposed to do. So I've iced both sides for like a minute. Probably not enough time, but I'm not since I'm torturing myself, I'm gonna use this headband to bite on. I'm literally impaling myself. I'm literally just sticking this needle right here, cause that's my tragus, and I'm so scared. Oh God. Oh my God. Ow! So it's literally, I don't know if you can see, literally a needle in my ear right now. Jay chillin'. Well, don't try this at home. Please, I'm begging you, don't do this. It won't go in. This failed, and I'm gonna try it again tonight. There's a hole, if you can see it. It's just not gonna miss work. I'm gonna be late. I'm just gonna have to retry it tonight. Hello, I am back. Let's try this again. Still don't think it's gonna work at all. Just kidding. I have faith in myself. If I can do it as a little 12-year-old, I can do it now. Well, it didn't work because I am stupid. So I tried to do it on this one. Didn't work. So then I tried to pierce my cartilage. And now I'm bleeding. And it has been a waste of time. And I'm sorry for you and myself. I apologize. I am currently working on a video, and this is honestly just a first video to put out there. And I don't know why. This has been a mistake. And I'm very disappointed in myself right now. And my ears hurt, so there's that. Well, welcome to my channel. This is just the worst. This is the worst video ever made. And my next one is gonna make up for this. The next video, you guys will be like, oh my gosh, maybe she actually is a little talented. That won't happen, but it'll be better than this one. So thanks for watching, I guess. Like, comment, subscribe, comment some fails. Comment some bad things that have happened in your life that aren't traumatizing, just like some just bad things, you know, like failing to pierce your ears 4 times in one day. Good night.